Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a fun recipe. Well, I think it's going to be a fun recipe. It's a chili dog recipe. I love chili dogs. We haven't had them in, oh, I don't know, seems like forever. But we're going to do a baked chili dog. Baked Coney dog, baked, whatever you want to call it. But it's going to be absolutely amazing. I've already got my chili recipe for my Coneys here on my channel, but I'm not going to make you look for it. You're welcome. We're going to go ahead and do that again today. This time we're going to do the chili dogs a little bit different. We're going to put them in the oven. Before we put them in the oven, we're going to bake the buns for just a little bit. We're going to put the hot dogs in the buns, the chili on top, some cheese, and bake them. And then it'll be absolutely amazing. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's look what we're going to use. Go ahead and get started cutting our onion up and our garlic. Alright, we're going to start this out on about medium. We're going to add, this is a pound, it's slightly over a pound of ground chuck to our pan here. Go ahead and get that broke up. I'll tell you what, this is my new fun kitchen gadget. I love this thing. Go ahead and garlic. Until the meat is completely done, until it's nice and brown. The meat is cooked. Now we're just adding it right back to the little pan here. All right, now we're going to add our seasonings. This is 3 teaspoons of chili powder. We've got a teaspoon of cumin right here. We've got a half a teaspoon of celery salt. A tablespoon of sugar, or I'm sorry, a teaspoon of sugar. I've got about a teaspoon of minced onions, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and garlic salt. This makes amazing chili dog sauce, Coney sauce. You're also going to add 1 can of the, I like to use the unsalted tomato sauce, and this is, I believe, a 15-ounce can. Oh, and those seasonings hit that pan. A couple of heaping teaspoons of tomato paste, a couple dashes of hot sauce. And this doesn't make it hot, it just adds that nice little wang to it that we love. I love a wang. Don't you love a wang? And just a couple dashes of Worcestershire sauce. And then we're going to throw just a little bit of water in here. This is probably about half a cup of water. And then just go ahead and combine this really well. Turn it around there. Oh my gosh. My house is already smelling magical. Once you get all incorporated, you're gonna let this simmer away probably for about 30 minutes. Your meat's gonna get nice and small and tender, and that liquid's gonna absorb into that meat, and it's just gonna be so full of flavor. I'm telling you what, if you like a good Coney sauce, you are absolutely going to love this. All right, now that the chili is done, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my baking sheet here with a little non-stick cooking spray. Just wanna make sure that, you know, the dogs doesn't stick. My oven is preheated. Make sure you preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Now, you just set your buns right down in them in your little dish. Oh, I hope we can fit all these in here. Oh, I think we're gonna be good. The recipe says to cut just a portion out of the bun, about a ½ inch from the sides here. I don't know how good I am at this, but we'll see. You're not going to cut entirely, just a portion, just enough to nestle your little hot dog in there. And you're going to do that to each and every one of these. Brush each hot dog bun with a little bit of garlic and butter. This is about 6 tablespoons of butter and probably about a good clove and a half of garlic. At 350 for about 5 minutes. Now we're going to take just a little bit of our chili and put it right down in there. Oh, this chili smells so good. The dog's waiting. And then you're supposed to take a piece of cheese and stick right down in there. Don't worry, I give you a bite. You gotta wait just a minute. Let me get my hot dog put together. It says to put a whole slice in there, but I really don't see there's room. You know what I'm saying? But that's all right. We're gonna put more cheese on top of it. Don't you worry, my little cheese friends. Bite for you and a bite for you. Okay, now you just stick the hot dog in there. Ooh, my hot dogs are bigger than my buns. That don't happen too often, does it? Stick the hot dog in. Now, it didn't say to pre-cook these hot dogs, so I did not. More chili. cheese right on top of them. And this is the sharp cheddar. Now these are going to go back in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Alright y'all, let's give this a try. I know it's going to be good because it's my homemade chili sauce on it, so it's going to be absolutely delicious. Really good. And I made french fries to go with mine. You could make a salad, anything you want to make to go with it. Potato chips. I'm getting it all over me. If you haven't made that chili sauce yet, you need to make it. It's absolutely amazing. You know I love you guys very much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye. Take care.